I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself locked out of your eToro card, don't worry, unlocking it is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the eToro app. Launch the eToro app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, tap on the account tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all your account settings, including card management. Step 3. Access card settings. In the account section, look for card settings and select it. This will take you to the area where you can manage your card options, including unlocking it. Step 4. Select Unlock Card. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm unlocking. After entering the verification code, confirm the unlocking process. You should receive a notification that your card is now active again. If you don't see the notification, double check your email for any missed messages. Now you're all set. If you follow these steps, you should have your eToro card unlocked in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to eToro support for help. Happy trading!